So guys, this is the GCSE exam question on ratio. Very, very important question. Lots of wording in this question. But if you do the first thing, which is 3/8 of 400, you will end up getting 1 mark. So Krisha, tell us how we can work with 3/8 of 400. What we do first of all. Go on, Krisha.
We have to divide it by 8.
So 400 divided by 8, which is going to be 50. And then what we do?
Times it by 3.
So we do 50 times by 3, which is 150. Now, second thing, like I told you before, now we got this small to medium is 3 to 4, and medium to large is 1 to 2. Now, this question comes up all the time where we have to make the same ratio. So, what we can do in order to make the same ratio, or may I tell us what we can times this one by and what is the